Yeah, it's been a busy pre-season. My first experience for me to travel on the tour with Liverpool, which was it was incredible. Obviously missed the last 2 games, so yeah, really excited to be back in the squad and looking forward to tomorrow's match. Preparation was was a great success, and yeah, you're always probably a little bit worried when you first come back in how everything's going to be. But no, touch wood, everything's been great so far, and been able to get a lot of match fitness under my belt, ready for obviously the new season. Yeah, you think we haven't been together for a few months, but exactly like you said, it's this is a great group of players we've got here, all hungry to be successful and work hard. So yeah, we're looking forward to putting on a quality display hopefully tomorrow night. I think obviously the great result away in Scotland, as a team we felt we were capable of producing that. We know that, and I think we might have shocked a few people. I think even the defeat against Croatia, of course it's disappointing to lose the game, but I think there was plenty of positives to take from it. Like I said, qualification it looks unrealistic now, but we've got so much to play for now. Anyway, and we want to make sure we give our best shot in every game that's to come. I think we know that we've produced quality players and good teams over the years, but probably haven't kept it up consistently, which I think we all feel that this is the team and the squad that's really capable of doing that.